Have you ever think to fly in water, or want something cool for your PC to boost up your work, or want a full theater in your home, or want a cool mini self-defense gadget? So stay with me because here are top 5 coolest gadgets of all time. So hey tech enthusiast, before starting the video, make sure to subscribe Tech Dryer. If you are a bicycle rider and want something cool which will make your ride noticeable, here's a very cool and awesome helmet for you. This helmet is specially made for bicycle riders. This cool helmet is hiding very cool features in it, as it comes with aesthetic remote. You have to just fix this remote with your bicycle handlebar and just connect your helmet with Bluetooth. The amazing thing of this cool gadget is you can listen your favorite music, as well as you can even pick your car and anything directly through your helmet. Because of its intelligent navigations, this helmet comes with brake lights. Actually, the lights are integrated in helmet, and these lights are so much helpful to show your presence at night. A keyboard is a very basic part of your PC, and as you know, keyboard is always separate from the LCD. Just think you got a keyboard with a beautiful small touch screen. So guys, don't think so much, because here we have a very cool, awesome keyboard for you. This keyboard is something which a cool and tech enthusiast user wants every time when he uses his Bohr RGB keyboard. This cool gadget is actually so much amazing. This cool keyboard comes with cool RGB backlights, and you can also use this cool keyboard with your smartphone. If you want to fly by air, you have to buy airplane tickets, but if you want to fly under the water, you have to buy this cool gadget. It's a sea flyer, an underwater sea scooter. Back in days, scooters were used on the road, but this is the time you can use the sea scooter under the water. You can even easily swim in water by just holding this handle as you are holding the bike handle. And the amazing thing of this cool gadget is that you can even control the swimming speed by yourself. This gadget just looks small, but it can easily handle 2 persons with it. This gadget is very special for water explorers. Watching movies in theater is really fun, but if you are an introvert sometime and you don't want to waste your time to going to theater for just watching a movie, so I have a very awesome idea for you. Just buy a theater in your house. So please stop wasting your money and just buy this projector only one time. This projector is actually a 4K laser projector which comes with a gimbal. Its gimbal makes it special because there are almost every projector which is immovable. But let's thank to its gimbal style, you can easily set this projector on your wall without wasting any further time. So if you are a lover of Netflix or web series, this gadget is something you need. So here we have a very mysterious fidget spinner for you. This fidget spinner is actually hiding a very sharp knife in it. So when you open its mini blade, this fidget spinner will convert into a mini knife. Although this knife is very small, but it is so much powerful as it can easily cut the thin objects. And this cool gadget also comes with a hole, so it can also work as keychain tool. If someone is trying to attack you, so you can surprise him with this mini gadget. So guys, that's all for today. Also comment me which is your favorite gadget, and if you want to modify your bike or car, so there are some amazing tools in the left video. And if you want to know some illegal banned gadgets which are still available on Amazon, so the right video is waiting for you.